Hey folks, Danny here at PARTAY. So real quick, I just want to give a status update for promos. I've got some friends across the pond who are expecting these promos to come in. So just wanted to give everybody an update on that. So I will be sending those out on Friday. I'm not really sure of what the duration is going to be. I'm imagining it's still going to be somewhere between, a 3 to 7 day kind of delivery period. But I'll check and see if I can get it there sooner. But just want to let you know that those are going out. And then took care of the paying customer stuff first. So that's the reason I don't want you guys to think you're not important. It's just I need to take care of paying customers first. And then I've got a 48-ounce promo Vega Plus that's going out. Now, these are our containers. It's a 48-ounce container with our labeling and information on the back. I don't have it this time. I do have on order, but I don't have them in. I've got the round labels that are actually going to be the labels that indicate what the formula is, whether Vega, Vega Plus, Polaris, whatever it may be. But I do have one of those going out. It'll go out Friday along with these. So just wanted to provide that update up there. Hope you guys are all doing well, and we'll talk to you soon. Well, let me add one more little thing there. I'm going to be coming back, and we're going to do the demonstration about light on the interior of a home and ways to think about it. The reason that I'm doing that is because at the end of this, there's going to be a nice little bow that we tie around all of this to show you that mathematically you can easily calculate, based on a number of factors, how your projector is going to perform within reason, right? There's going to be some swag there, but within reason. So what we're going to do is demystify and blow out of the water a lot of things that you're being told out there that are really just damaging, false, and things that will never hold water when put against scrutiny. Okay, true scrutiny. And you get these products out of their home and you look at it in a real world light. What really happens? What can you really expect? So that's the focus of that. And we're going to keep edging closer and closer towards that in the next couple of uploads. So you guys take care. We'll talk to you soon.